Sanibona, ngithembe kuyaphileka. Lana sikhona siyikhuphula izinga. Ikhuphula izinga yodwa ikhona, akekho omunye. Today I'm going to show you how to register your music on RiSA. People, they get confused how they can put their songs on RiSA, then they can verify the code for their music. Lana sizele ukuzofundisa ukufaka ingoma kwa-RiSA kuze ingoma zakho zikwazi ukureda ikhodi yakho mangabe zidownloadwa, mangabe senzeka noba yini zidlalwa zikwazi ukuthi kwa-RiSA bazibone zi-corresponde no-RiSA as ungumrejisti oserejistile ka-RiSA warejista ne-distributor. Alright, before uzise kwi-distributor ingoma zakho kumele uqale uzenze kanje, ngoba xa ungabe uzovela uzise kwi-distributor ungaqalanga uzifake apha kufana nokuba uyadlala. Uza la, okay, now we on dashboard. Udlule umember, udlule ungene lapha kubhalwe ISRC codes, then bese swipe uze ngala andala kubhalwe khona igama lakho as a artist and necode yakho as a ne-ID number yakho ne-email yakho, then uswipe kanje, then ubese uzoklikha la kubhalwe khona register new track. Xa ufuna ukubona ukuba akhona na ingoma esezirejistiwe under your name, klikha lapha ku-view. As ubona nazi ingoma engizifakile apha, ngizifakile 1 2 3 4 5 sezivele seziphakathi kwi-registration yakhe uSisters. So thina manje sinikhombisa ukuba zirejistwa kanjani. Okay, then ungena la ku-register new track, then ubhala isihloko sengoma. Okay, lesibhala Baba Wami, then sishaya umzekelo wengoma ukuthi idlala 4 minutes, ubhale igama isikhathi ingoma esidlalayo, then mesowulana kule ndawo ukuthi luhlobo luni lengoma ozolifaka, ufaka music video noba ufaka i-MP3. Let's say we need MP3, we're going to upload MP3, not a music video. Also your music video you must come to upload like the same. If you need to upload music video wako on YouTube, on all platforms, like if you want to release your music video to your distributor, you must make sure you start here first. Then as you see, music video or sound recording. Sound recording is according to the MP3. And then a releasing date yale EP, it was 2024 August, date 6. And then a vision title luhlobo luni lomculo, Maskandi, producer Mqhele, or says copy the original. sizokopa originary. Who is a producer for this song? The same person, Mkalemani. What's a recording? A recording studio, it's Mkele Recording Studio. Then Bala a recording studio. The last part, you must upload. Uyifake le ngoma ofuna ukuyipublisha, ukuyifaka ukuyipublisha, so iqala la iqala khona. Awuvele usuke uye kwi-publisher uyosebenzisa i-QR code, i-RCR code yakho without starting here. Because noma ingakhona phayana nayi le ngoma baba wami. Then mase ingene kanje ilapho ke sosobe sesiya save, press save. Once it's done here, which means your song is on the database, or it is on the data for RISA. Once it's done here, you're done with your music to upload it. I will do a video for next time. And you must make sure when you're done here, it doesn't mean you are done. You must link your music on database for RISA. You must link your music on database for RISA. Please good people, ningizwe kahle, kumele uxhumane net register for i-database yakwa RISA. Ngizonikombisa as soon as possible as we done here. Now it's taking time, long time. I don't know why it's taking too much time. Okay, now siqedile ku register lezi ngoma, but I must delete this one because we already have. We was trying to make a example for you people. Okay, let's done with the video now.